Yeah, we tried to close it on Cloudflare, but we broke it twice, so I had to report there.
Alright, so the main website. Here's the home page. We got everything from whale, from whale, and just like our teams. Can we go to the about page? So yeah, of course, again, everything's picked with whales. We got networks. It has a hyperlink to certification, which also, again, pretty standard. That's it, all the stuff. Have all the certification levels. Coaches, here we have the search bar, which you can search for, and you can filter by certification level. And then resources, pretty standard. We also have the Stripe integration, so you can pay your goal into the checkout, and it's pretty easy just to want to make sure you're linking the Stripe. Events, pretty simple. You can just for chapter leads, you can create events. These are just test events, so we didn't bother putting any actual information. Chapters. Here you can access the chapters, and my colleague will go over that. Or actually, I'll go over that. So we just have it as a subdirectory. Listed almost the same as the regular website. You got everything from team, coaches, events, resources. And it'll update these using the technically the cache.
So basically, we've made our website fully customizable by the different roles. So I'm going to log into the and we have this dark mode. So I log into the admin page. So the admin page is responsible for all of the main pages, and in the admin management console, we can go to the pages and modify all the content on the post pages, like the about page, certification, resources, and all. And then here we can also create and delete users, and these are just some test users that we created for this demo. And here we can also create and delete different chapters. And I can just show a brief form for what the chapter creation looks like. And then just to be quick, I'm going to go over just what a chapter lead view would look like. And then, so when you're in the chapter lead view, here you're able to adjust all the stuff on the chapters page. So, like for example, I believe that was chapter lead for Canada. So that account can change all the information and overview. You can add people for chapter leadership. You can add coaches, delete coaches, add events, and when events are there, it's like a blank spot. And then you can also pay your chapter specific use from the resources tab. And in this portal, I'm just going to quickly show. So this is where you can change content. This is where you can add team parts for management, coaches, add resources, testimonials, and edit contact information. That's all.
Minute 30 for questions.
Right.
You have time for questions. Does anyone have any questions?
Can you see any of the chapter websites? Like, can you go to like the Canada chapter or something like that?
Oh.
Can you do it for that?
Yeah, so we have the chapter website right under the main website. So we have that Canada, and this is the whole Canada website. So it has like its own navigation for team, coaches, and all of these coaches are consolidated in the main website. So we have coaches from USA and Canada on the main website, but if you go to chapter website, as the both databases separately.
From each PCOs that we have, how do you go through prioritizing issues?
How do you prioritize these?
Like
Yeah.
all the different features which
Yeah.
you wanted to add on your website.
Mhm. So we basically split up the stack between us. So we were focused on front end and favored to prepare most of the back end. And we split it apart, basically got the core website functionality working, and one by one, depending on difficulty and what we felt was like the most core, we implemented, I believe we implemented all of the P0 stuff and some of the P1 stuff, but we basically went down the list and just whichever one was easiest and started them.
Yeah, no, we were trying to implement this on the search web.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.